In the early morning hours of May 7, 2020, an officer-involved shooting occurred in the 900 block of 16th Street in Wasco. The following presentation is intended to help bring context to the facts surrounding this case. The following presentation contains a map of the location of the incident, radio traffic, body-worn camera video, and photos of the scene. Some of the audio and video has been edited to protect the privacy of the victims involved and to avoid the release of information that state law prohibits the sheriff's office from releasing. The redactions and edits do not affect the depiction of events presented in this video. Some of the audio and visuals we're about to present may be disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised. On May 7, 2020, at 3:29 a.m., deputies assigned to the Wasco substation were dispatched to an apartment complex in the 900 block of 16th Street in Wasco for a domestic violence situation.
Wasco 9, Wasco 8, Wasco 3, stay to check the welfare, possible 273-5, 16th Street, apartment number.
Deputy Carmen Holguin and Deputy Orlando Ramos were first on scene. Deputy James Jackson arrived shortly after. Deputies located the suspect, Daniel Gomez, standing over two women while holding a knife. Deputies could see blood on the floor and hear the victims yelling for help. Deputies ordered Gomez to put the knife down. Gomez refused and continued to move towards the deputies in the apartment. Deputies continued to talk with Gomez while backing up into the living room to create distance between them. Gomez slowly moved closer until deputies were backed against the living room walls. Gomez refused to put the knife down, and an officer-involved shooting occurred. The following video is from Deputy Holguin's department-issued body-worn camera. Please note, the camera does not capture everything the deputy sees, and the deputy does not see everything the body camera captures.
Sheriff's Department! I got one with a knife. Let me see your hands! Let me see your hands! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! I got one with a knife. Let me see your hands!
Here's the same scene through Deputy Ramos's body-worn camera. Deputy Ramos is positioned in between Deputy Holguin and Deputy Jackson.
Hey, let me see your hands! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Get down on the ground! Put the knife down now! Put it down! Put it down now!
He shot me!
Get over here! Put it down on the ground now! Put it down now!
Are you okay, Mommy? Are you okay?
Want to come point with a knife? Put it down! Put the knife down! Put the knife down!
What's wrong with you?
Is she bleeding? She's bleeding. You gotta put the knife down! Put the knife down!
Please.
Put it down! Put the knife down! Put it down now! Stage medical. Put the knife down! Put the knife down!
I've been stabbed from left side.
Put the knife down!
Don't let him go to the exit.
No.
Back of the neck.
Put the knife down! Drop it! Put it down! Put it down! This doesn't need to happen, man. This doesn't need to happen. Just put it down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Put the knife down. Just put the knife down, man. Put the knife. Put the knife down. Put it down. Put it down. Do not take another step. Put it down. Put it down. Don't stand up. Put it down. It's not needed. We don't need to do this. Just put the knife down, dude. We can get through this. Just put it down. Just put it down.
Just drop it, man. Just drop it.
Just put it down now. We could get through this, man. Stay down, ma'am. Stay down. Stay down. Ma'am, stay down on the ground.
Drop the knife.
Put the knife down.
Put the knife down, man.
Shoot it, man.
Do not take another step. Put the knife down. We can make it through this. Don't do this.
Dude.
Shoot it, bro. Put the knife down.
Shoot it.
Do not take another step.
Just put the knife down. We can talk about this. Just put it down.
Put it down. We got to get medical aid to this lady. Put the knife down, okay?
Just pull the trigger, bro.
No, we can't do that. It's not worth it.
Why not?
It's not, man. We could get through this. We can get through this, man. Don't do this.
Film my shit anymore.
No, it's not worth it. Put it down. It doesn't need to go this route, man. It doesn't need to happen this way, man. There's no need for it. We could get through this. Come on, man. Put the knife down.
I have 3 kids in the house.
We're trying to help.
Put it down.
Put down the knife.
Just put it down, man. We could do this. Don't do this. Come on. You got kids, right? You got kids? Do you have a kid? Say yes or no, man. Watch that. Watch that exit. All right. Don't do this to your kids, man. Don't do this. We can get through this. Just don't take another step, man. Okay? Look.
Just do it. I'm already in too deep, right?
No, it's okay.
Talk about this, man.
We're going to get through this.
Down, man.
We're going to get through this. It's okay.
I'm just so mad at myself, and it doesn't help it.
It's okay. Put the knife down for your kids. Do this for your kids, please. Okay? We could get through this. No.
We don't want it,
we
man.
can get through
Put
this.
it down. You got kids, right?
We can get through this.
Let's go put it down for your kids, man.
For your kids. For your kids.
I'm sorry. You're not sorry for nothing, man.
No,
Put it
the
down.
dog to shoot him.
I'm sorry,
He
huh?
stabbed
Put it
me.
down.
He stabbed me.
I'm sorry,
I want
huh?
to go down. In the back of the neck. Daddy, give me a chance.
What's your name?
In the back of the neck.
It's for your kids.
Come on, man. Dude.
No, he stabbed me. He stabbed me. The cops are here.
Just hang there right now, man.
Put the knife down.
Just hang there right now.
We don't need to do this. We don't need to do this. We don't.
Already in too deep, bro?
No, you're not in too deep. We can get through this. Don't do this to your kids. Do not do this to your kids. They don't need to see this. They don't need to do this, okay? Put it down.
Come on, man.
Put it down.
Do you guys have ambulance?
Put the knife down now.
Do it. Come on, man. We don't want to do anything.
We don't want to do this.
Hit it, bro. Just hit it.
No.
Put it down, man. Come on.
Put it down.
Drop it, man. Drop the knife.
It's hard, man.
Put the knife down.
Do not take another step.
You can do this a different way. You can do this a different way.
Just hit it, man.
Drop the knife.
I'm getting
Drop
dropped down.
it.
Get down, ma'am. Get down, lady.
Drop the knife.
Get down.
99% accurate. Absolute clarity when you need it.
Don't do this, dude. Don't do this to me.
For some straight talk from straight
Drop the knife.
Some cell phone plans don't give you enough data. More is music to the ears. Get more of a good
Don't do this to me.
Drop the knife, man.
gigabyte
Don't do this.
Now get inside that door, please.
Get inside. Get out the door, ma'am. Get outside.
Drop it, man.
no contract.
Right away.
All in America's largest, most
I can't go any further.
Gomez was declared deceased at the scene. Deputies immediately began administering medical aid to the 2 female victims. Both women were transported to a local hospital to be treated for their injuries. Deputies Holguin, Ramos, and Jackson were placed on routine administrative leave pending completion of the investigation. The Kern County Sheriff's Office Homicide Unit investigates any use of deadly force by any member of the department. Their findings have been submitted to the Kern County District Attorney's Office for criminal review. On May 27, 2020, the Kern County Sheriff's Office convened an incident review board examining the use of force by the deputies in this incident. The use of force in this case was deemed to be within department policy.